Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to MTSB channel tutorial learning. Today we will study about coordinates. We use coordinates to show the position of a point on a grid. Coordinates are often used on map and graphs. Remember to write coordinates in brackets and separate the numbers with comma. The letter X is at 4.2. Write the others. The first tutorial. Complete the table of value for the equation 2y minus 2 equal 4x. Use your result to plot the graphs of 2y minus 2 equal 4x on this grid. Answer. The first step. Input the value x into equation 2y minus 2 equal 4x. So, if x equal 0, then 2y minus 2 equal 4 times 0. Two y minus 2 equal 0. 2y equals 2, and then the value of y is 1. And then write in here the second step. Input x equal 2 into equation 2y minus 2 equal 4x. So, we can write 2y minus 2 equal 4 times 2. So, become 2y minus 2 equal 8. Negative 2 move on the right side, so become 2y equal 8 plus 2. So the value of y is 5. Write in the table. After finishing complete the table, so let's draw the graph of equation 2y minus 2 equal 4x. Okay, let's give mark first. Negative 1 for x and negative 1 for y. So in here, okay, the second point for x is 0 and for y is 1. This is the symbols. Okay, the last point is for x is 2 and then for y is 5. Okay, there are 3 points in the grid. For the next step, is connect all of point using the line. Okay, here are the line of equation 2y minus 2 equal 4x. Communicative. A. Complete the table of values for y equal 8 minus 3x. B. Draw the graph of y equal 8 minus 3x on the grid. A. Draw the line x equal to on the grid. B. Rafi draws a rectangle ABCD. The coordinates of three of the vertices are A 1.1, B 3.1, and C 3.2. Find the coordinates of D. The grid shows the positions of 3 points A, B, and C. ABCD is a square. Write down the coordinates of D. The diagram shows point A, B, and C plotted on a grid. D is another point. D has the same y coordinates as A and CD is parallel to BA. Write down the coordinates of D. Collaborative. Match the question in the left side to the correct answer in the right side. The graph shows Angelique's journey to work. A. Write down the number of minutes Angelique stops for during her journey. B. Sophia takes us exactly the same road to work. She leaves at 8:30. It takes her 45 minutes to get a walk. She travels at a constant speed. Draw Sophia's journey on the grid. C. Sophia passes Angelique on her way to work. Write down the time when she passes Angelique. Oliver bakes 10 cakes. The scatter graph shows the mass in gram of each cake and the cooking time in minutes. A. Write down the number of Oliver's cakes that have a mass of more than 800 grams. Describe the relationship between the mass of cake and the cooking time. C. Oliver sees a receipt for a cake with a mass of 800 grams. The receipt says the cooking time is 80 minutes. Use the graph to explain why this cooking time may be incorrect. The graph shows the number of students gaining the top grade in a mathematics exam each year. Between 2011 and 2012, there was a 50% increase in the number of students gaining the top grade. Show this on the graph. Yuri is a piano teacher. She collects the examination marks of her students. She asks each of them how many minutes they play their piano for each night. The scatter diagram shows some of her data. Critical thinking. Look at the following picture. Based on the picture, which one the correct statement? A. From the grocery store to the park, you just have to walk 5 units to the right and 3 units up. B. The difference between high school to the park is 7 units. C. Marla's school is located at point -6.6 when mapped on a coordinate grid. Her house is located 8 units from her school when plotted on the grid. A point -6, point -2 could be a point of location for Marla's house. D. The distance between park to the hospital is 4 units. From the hospital, 1 unit to the right and 4 units down, then arrive at the bank. So hospital is in point 2.2. Jamila does a survey to find the cost in dollars and the memory size in gigabytes of memory sticks for computers. The scatter graph shows the result of her survey. A. Jamila buys a memory stick for $8. Draw a ring around the most likely memory size for Jamila's memory stick. B. Describe the relationship between the memory size and cost of the memory stick. Creative thinking. Trapezium ABCD is shown on the grid. A. Mark E on the grid with a cross so that E is a point on line AB and angle AED is 90 degrees. B. Annie count the area of trapezium. Here is her calculation. Is it true that the area of trapezium is 11? Rewrite the correct answer if you find a mistake. A. The playing times and examination marks of 2 more students are shown in the table. Plot these values on the scatter's diagram. B. Describe the relationship between playing time and examination mark. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.